Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year is coming. Appa is going to make a Lap Mei Fan. Lap Mei Fan, fan is literally translated as the rice, and Lap Mei is actually dry meat. So what kind of dry meat am I using today? I actually have 4 types here. 3 different kind of sausage. The first one is the normal pork Chinese sausage. The second one is the Chinese sausage with added Chinese wine inside. Yeah, this is actually added with Chinese marinated with Chinese wine. The third one is something very interesting. First time Appa bought it because I went to the herbal shop this morning and I saw this. This is actually from Hong Kong, all the way from Hong Kong. It is the goose. Yeah, it's a goose liver. Gan, yeah, goose liver sausage. Goose liver Chinese sausage. This one, 1 kg is about 110 ringgit. It's actually quite expensive. The normal one is about 330 to 40 ringgit for 1 kg. And last but not least, I have half a piece of this is actually the dried duck meat. Yeah, dried duck meat. So why is it those days people actually make the meat into dried meat? Because they want to keep the meat much longer. So just like all this, when you if you buy it from the shop and if you keep it inside your freezer, you can easily keep it up to 1 whole year or so, no problem. Okay, must be some place really dry and some place really cold. Yeah, so I'm going to steam this, then slice it and put on top of the rice. Yeah, and then I put some julienne ginger. Yeah, ginger slices on top and steam it for probably about 15 minutes later. Then I have some pre-cooked rice. Yeah, I'm always make the claypot rice using a much easier method, which is pre-cook the rice. Yeah, and then I will show you how to make the sauce. Yeah, the sauce for this particular dish later, not difficult. This is you will need some chicken stock, and also this is the ginger water. So how do you make ginger water? Simple. Get about 2 to 3 centimeter of ginger, and remove the skin, and put it inside your blender. Add some water inside, blend it, and then you have some ginger water. They always like to use to pour some ginger water right before serving. Yeah, this one is very gingery. Usually this dish in Malaysia, I'm doing the Malaysia method. Yeah. So get ready your steamer. The water must be boiling. You want to carefully, slowly put in the sausage and cover it. And I'm going to use medium-high heat to steam it for about 15 minutes. Okay, let's prepare the sauce. First of all, it's all about a combination of different kinds of sauce and condiment to make it a lot more flavorful. So I'm going to add in first some garlic oil. So the oil itself is already flavored. Yeah? Very easy to make garlic oil at home. Just go and search on Google, on YouTube. So the oil here, the garlic oil here is actually a flavoring. Next thing, we will actually add in the chicken stock. I'll add in a little bit of ginger water first, and a bit of oyster sauce. Ooh, it's finishing. Okay, so some oyster sauce, some light soy sauce, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Some Shaoxing wine. Of course, if you don't take alcohol, you don't have to put in the Shaoxing wine. And for the color, usually this is pretty dark. So I'm going to add in some dark soy sauce, of probably about 2 tablespoons. Don't add too much of dark soy sauce, sometimes it can be a bit bitter. And I'm going to add in a bit of salt and also sugar. Right. So bring everything to a boil and make sure everything is nicely diluted. And right before use, I will actually add in some white pepper. That's it. That's how simple it is. Already very fragrant. See, I never added any meat inside, but it's already very fragrant. Why? Because of the chicken stock. And also I can smell a lot of garlic aroma, garlic flavor. And also some gingery flavor as well. I will add more ginger water towards when we are about to serve later. But I will put the ginger water straight into the rice. So bring this to a boil and give it a bit of white pepper. And this is done. Right? Alright, so after we prepare the sauce, I'm going to blend some veggie. You can use any kind of veggie today. I'm using choy sam. Yeah, I'm using choy sam. You can also use siu pak choy. Actually, siu pak choy looks nicer in the clay pot. But I'm using choy sam. Now, when you want to blanch your veggie, add some salt inside and also put some oil inside. That will actually help to maintain the greenish of your veggie. Yeah. So it won't take very long, probably about 1 minute or so. Then your veggie is done. Don't forget the oil and also the salt. Right. Okay, it has been boiling for about 3 minutes, I would say. Maybe because my choy sam is actually thicker today. This is the Cameron choy sam, the thicker one. So it takes a little bit longer time. Okay, once everything is softened, and we can actually take it out. Yeah. See, the veggie managed to maintain the greenish color. Right after I blanch my veggie, the sausage is also done. Oh, I can smell the sausage. Really nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is wait for it to cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to slice it. Yeah, after I slice it, I'm going to put on top on the rice. And don't throw away all this liquid water here. All these are the flavor releasing from the different kinds of lap mei. Yeah. Okay, so we have the white rice, yep, steamed rice, and these are the steamed sausages, 4 kinds of sausages. Now, take note on one thing, I did not remove the exterior films that cover, that is wrapping the sausage, because I try to use that to keep the shape of the sausage itself. And true enough, even when I do that, the goose liver one, where as I cut it, it started to break off. So, but this tool is probably okay if you want to remove that thin film. You can remove it. It's definitely edible. Usually, they use the pork intestine to do that. And if you want to remove the film, very easy. Just soak the sausage before cooking. Soak the sausage into room temperature water for about 1 minute. Then you can cut it and remove the layer very easy. Yeah. So I have 4 kinds of dry meat here. I have my blanch veggie, I have my ginger water, I have my sauce, and some scallion, yeah? So we are just going to combine all this into a clay pot. So first thing, you want to add on the bottom layer is some oil. I'm using garlic oil. So why you want some oil here? Because this oil is going to help to create some char, to char some of the rice at the bottom. That is exactly what you will be getting when you are when you are eating the clay pot rice outside. Yeah, same kind of effect. Well, some more I'm using garlic oil, so it's going to further enhance the aroma. Next thing, of course, we will be putting in the rice. So this is the pre-cooked rice. I'm going to add in inside. Okay, so I put in the rice. I'm not sure if you can hear the sizzling sound at the bottom. That is the fire doing the work, trying to char the bottom of this rice. And this is the sauce releasing from the sausages just now. So I'm going to add in also, together with the ginger slices. This is definitely extra flavor. Actually, just now there's one thing I forgot to do. I did not poke few holes inside the sausages before I steam. If you do that, actually the sauce will be releasing from the sausage will be even more. Okay, I forgot about it. All right, and then next thing is, now you can really spend a bit of time to arrange this into really nice. I'll probably do it shortly. So this is the veggie putting in. I will rearrange it shortly, yeah. Actually, I've seen people arrange the sausage one piece by one piece. Appa is not that patient. Okay. Let me clear the kitchen top as I cook. Then the next thing is we are going to add in few tablespoons of the sauce. If it's not dark enough, you just add more dark soy sauce. So you decide for yourself, this is your dinner, yeah? And then usually the hawker will actually add more ginger water on top of it before they serve, to give it some more gingery taste. Right? And then I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion. You can break an egg on top of it if you like, up to you. And the egg can be half cooked, still going to be very nice. So that's it, my Lap Mei Fan for tonight. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.